Hello everyone, today I crafted an interactive Friend Series dashboard on Power BI using Friend Series dataset which I downloaded from Kaggle. In this dashboard, the key insights include total episode by season using clustered column chart. Through this visual, we can find how many episode does the specific season contain. For if we go on season 8 contains 24 episodes. Next, line chart display duration in minutes by season. For season 2, duration in minutes 22.0. For season 4, duration in minutes 22.67. Total votes by season using clustered bar chart. We can find the total votes for a specific season. If it's season 8, the total votes are 71,955. Then Boxplot to display star rating by season. Boxplot to display star rating. You can see total stars and total votes by episodes and season using ribbon chart. Here we can find for season 1, episode 1. First season, episode 1 received total votes of 5,000, 7,540, and a smart narrative which says 10 in episode, 18 made up 1.43% of total votes. Duration in minutes was highest for 6 at 23.28, followed by 10 and 4. Across all season, duration in minutes ranged from 20.0 to 23.28, and 6 cards to display total seasons, total episodes, average star rating, average duration in minutes, total votes, last seen year, a slicer to filter based on season. And for more information about episode, I have included a button. If we click on this button, here we can see total episodes released by year, top 5 voted episodes, top 5 episodes by average star rating. First, let us see year 1999. In year 1996, totally 310 episodes were released. Here comes top 5 voted episodes. For last one, part 2 received around 11.4k votes. Top 5 votes by average star rating. First, the one with the proposal, the total stars of 18.10. 18.10. Let us use our slicer and filter first 5 seasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you can see the changes. Total episodes 121, average star rating 8.33, duration minutes by season has changed. And for season 5, total episodes released were 24, and total votes received by season for first season received total of 103k votes. Season 1 received 103k votes. When it comes to episode, let us filter based on the fourth. Next 5 episodes 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total season 6. Total episodes 139. Average star rating 8.46. Total episodes released by year. We can see in 2001, 311 episodes were released. Top 5 voted episode, the same. The last one, part 2. The total votes of 7.4k. Top 5 episodes by average star rating. You can see the one where everybody finds out the total stars of 9 point, average rating of 9.70. This is how my dashboard works. And that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.